All right, so I put this in here because I wanted to just, this is a pretty special picture for me. I got to perform with Dueling Piano Kings from 2016 to 2020, and this particular shot is me playing to 20,000 some people at McMahon Stadium. I'm basically conducting 20,000 people and singing like Friends in Low Places by Garth Brooks, for example. And having 20,000 people sing back to you is a pretty elating feeling. It's pretty incredible. And again, it's not bragging if you've done it. I'm thankful that I've had the opportunity to do things like this. The only reason I showed this picture was because I was committed to improving. I was committed to networking. Who else do I know who's doing this? What booking agents are getting more high-profile shows? How can I get connected with those people? If I hadn't have left Aussie Rules at the end of 2015, I would not have had this opportunity. So this opportunity here was a career highlight for me, pretty incredible, and I just wanted to share it with you. I was a very shy kid, practicing piano, nerdy, kind of bullied a lot when I was younger. And I'd like to go back to the bullies today and just show them this picture and say, hey, because I was committed to this, look at what I did. This is pretty cool. I wanted to quit playing piano many times, and my mom told me, don't stop, keep. I know you don't like it right now, but just keep going, keep going. And at the end of every show I've done, there's always someone who comes up and says, I played the piano for a while and I quit, and I see someone like you and I wish I'd never quit. I wish I'd never stopped. And so, sorry. I just wanted to come here today to inspire people. When I see my face on a Jumbotron, some of us have what we call imposter syndrome, and we think, what am I doing here? Why am I here? I shouldn't be here. But the answer to that is, you should be here. And the inverse of the imposter syndrome is, who else could be doing this? Who do I know who can play the piano and sing? Who is committed to curiosity and growth? And who's committed to seeking out opportunities like this? I hope some of you are thinking about that right now.